Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a set of St. Patrick's Day nails on myself. I'm going to start doing shout outs. So in my very first ever shout out video, I want to give a shout out to Lady V Nails. Thank you girls so much for being the first to comment on my video. Also, I want to give a shout out to Amanda Smith and Hazel Goshman. Thank you, girls, so much. I appreciate the interaction and the support. It means so much to me. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and ring the bell so you're notified on future videos. All right, now that I got that out of the way, let's get into it. The tips I'll be using today are the universal tips from Not Polish, of course. I've already pushed back the cuticles, roughed up the nail bed, and blended the tips and cut them down. I'll be using my 91% rubbing alcohol because I'm using polygel today. Whoop! And for the primer, of course, Nailmate Acid Primer from Glitter Planet. I go ahead and I put a layer of the primer down on each nail. Make sure you scrub it into the nail bed so it sinks into all the crevices. You want that to really get in there because that is the key to no lifting, that and your prep. Yes, my fingers look very beat up. I stabbed myself with my nail and I nicked my cuticle when I was doing the 1, 2, 3 go because I put them way too close to the cuticle. Lesson learned. And I also burnt my hand. So I'm sorry that my hand looks so beat up, but such is life, folks. Anyways, I put a coat of this on and then I go ahead and I put another coat on and then I go in with my Madame Glam base coat. And I will cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. The polygel I'll be using is from Makartt, the clear. And also, I'll be using the Pretty Please. For glitter, I'll be using Glitter Planet Gold Diamond Dust. Super pretty. It's the flash kind with the light. It makes it look really, really sparkly. I also used the gold shards from Glitter Planet. I didn't put that in there for some reason. But I also used these hearts, which I think I got from Amazon. But starting off, I'm going to use my Madame Glam base coat, and I'm going to take the diamond dust and mix it around. This is the easiest, quickest way. I did my other hand first, and I ended up mixing the diamond dust with the clear polygel and put it on the tip first, but it takes a bit longer to do that, so I decided to go this route. Why not find some time cuts? Anyways, I put that down and I cured it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with another coat of it just to make it look a little more covered. And then before I cure it, I'm going to take the gold shards from Glitter Planet and I'm going to place them all over the tip of that. And then I'll go in with, excuse me, the Pretty Please, and I will ombre that down into it. Most of the nails, all of the nails actually, I'm going to do this too, except for one. I'm going to make all Pretty Please. So I'll let you watch as I do that, and I will be back. taking a pretty good amount of that base coat and I'm covering all these nails just to try and make it a little smoother to do the ombre with the Pretty Please. Is it Pretty Please? Pretty Pink. You know what I mean. Anyways, I'm just trying to smooth it out a little bit because those chunks of gold, they kind of make it a little bumpy. So I put a couple coats of the base coat on the tip and kind of bring it up a little bit so there's not like a big ledge. But I'll let you watch as I do this and then go in with the Pretty Pink color. With polygel, if you need a little more in certain spots, it's easier if you just go ahead and work that polygel all the way down to where you want it to go and cure it, and then go ahead and go in with the amount of polygel you need to cover up certain spots that aren't opaque enough or covered enough for you. That is what I've learned anyways. But also, if you put too much on there, as you can see I did with several of the nails, just go ahead and scrape it off and then work it down. But it's easier if you start from the top and work it down. Do not, I mean, you can start from the bottom and work your way up, but it is so much easier to work from the cuticle down. Now I'm going in with my Madam Glam base coat again, and I'm going to put that on my middle finger, but just in the corner where I'm going to be doing the shamrock, and I'm going to be making my own with the little tiny green hearts. So now I'm going to go in with my clear polygel, and I'm going to encapsulate and build up the structure of the nails. When I did the shamrock, I ended up taking some saran wrap and squeezing that over. Well, I place it on top of the shamrock, squeeze the bottom so it lays flat on the nail. That way the little hearts aren't sticking up, so you don't get the air bubbles in there, because you do not want the air bubbles. Air and water are not our friends. No, no. What I absolutely love about gel is how freaking clear it is. Oh my goodness. I hate how you can get bubbles in gel, but the clarity of the clear is just, you can't beat it. I'm sorry, acrylic is not as clear as gel. You just can't beat it. And I wanted this to be super clear so you could see those beautiful little shamrocks. Yeah, but the bubbles, I could do without the bubbles. Also, is it just me, or isn't it harder to get your nails a lot more slender with acrylic? Like, it seems like it's easier to make them bulkier. And with polygel, you just have all this time to make them perfect. Okay, so I took my 5-in-1 bit from Kiara Sky and my rechargeable drill, and I filed around the cuticle, got it all smoothed out with the hand file, which is the Tammy Taylor 180 grit peel and stick file. My favorite. You guys gotta try it, seriously. It's so sturdy, and it just makes your life so much easier when you're filing, seriously. But I did that already, and now I'm going in with the wonderful Wonder Gel I'm obsessed with, and I am putting a coat of that on all of the nails, cure it for 30 seconds, and then I go in with another coat, and I cure that for 30 seconds. After everything's cured, I go in with my fruit cake cuticle oil from Profiles Backstage, and it's like a velvety finish. It doesn't make it oily. I love it. You gotta try it. It's amazing. And here she is. It turned out so cute. I love it. Look how clear that is. You can totally see everything so much better. I always forget how clear it is until I finally end up using gel again. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think, and happy St. Patrick's Day when it gets to that day. I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting this, but yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful week. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and ring the bell so you're notified on future videos. And thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.